Here's a little something we've started doing here in our household. Take some regular Dawn, straight Dawn, fill up a jar about, a quarter to a third full of it. Straight Dawn. And then fill it on up with clean water. We have an RO unit, so I use this RO unit. That way I know the water is perfectly clean. Okay. Well, that's close enough. As you can see, it's not rocket science, but man, does this make washing dishes easy. Spray it, then you wash. I was using, I'd just use this and I'd put it on a rag or something. This saves so much soap. That's actually, you just want to get it thin enough that the pump can pump it. If you just use it straight, the pump can't pump this very well. So it's about 25% Dawn. And another thing we do is, a couple years ago we put in these this laminate flooring. You really don't want to mop it wet, get it all wet. And so we use a mixture of 25% vinegar. We use apple cider vinegar, but I probably wouldn't have to. And the rest, clean water. And as I'm doing that, I usually squirt a couple of sprays of this in here, and that makes the floors shiny and clean, and it's cheap. I'll go through about, if I do the floors, we have almost all laminate floors. I use this on tile, linoleum, and the laminate. And I'll use about 1.5 bottles of this to do the whole house, to hold the first floor. The only room down here that's not hard floor is our master bedroom. So it goes a long ways. And what I normally do is just to take an old towel that's stained or something. I get 2 of them, and I'll just throw it down on the floor, and ahead of it I'll spray this, and then I'll take a mop that we don't use much anymore and set it on top of the towel, push the towel around. You could use one of those Swifters if you wanted to.